Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a Google Draw in order to insert diagrams into documents by sharing a Google document. So first, here is my Google Draw that shows that I want to be a police officer, so I drew the police badge, and I did that by going right here and going down to Scribble, and it lets you pretty much draw whatever you want. So we'll delete that. And then to go with that, I went to Insert Image, and you can do it from your computer or search from the web. So I pushed search from the web, and so I just typed in police car, and there's tons of pictures, so I just picked this random one, and that's what I inserted. And then I wanted to show you how to electronically sign a document. So you go to Insert and you go to Text Box, and you can make it however big you want, and then you can type in your name like I did right here, and you can change the font and the size of the font. And then once you do that, you can go back to right here to Scribble, and we'll click on that, and then that's when you can sign your name, which is honestly really, really hard to do. Well, that is mine, so we'll delete that, and we'll click out of that, and then that's mine. So then we want to put it on a Google Doc. So you'll go to File, and you'll go to Download, and we'll do it as a JPEG image, and it'll bring it right down here. And then we go to, you can go to your Google Docs from over here, click on Google Docs, go to blank, and you can go to File, Open, actually, sorry, we'll open a blank Google Docs, and we'll go to Insert, and we'll go to Drawing, we'll do From Drive, and there is our Google Drawing. We push Link to Source, and there it brings up that your Google Draw on your Google Docs. And you can share with multiple people. So I need to name it, so Google Draw assignment. And we will do it to my, got it. And we shared it to my Moodle, or to my UL email account. And that is all you need to know about Google Draw and how to insert diagrams into documents by sharing a Google document, and how to electronically sign a document.